Hi dear students, welcome to this Ayushi online classes. In our previous video, we have solved 4 examples. Next example, fifth, that is S and T are points on sides PR and two times I wrote, sorry, PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Show that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Solution. Solution. One triangle PQR. This is the triangle PQR and S and T are points on sides. S and T are points on sides, that is S and T. S and T are points on sides. We need to prove. Given here, what given? Already given that angle P is equal to angle RTS. To prove, what we have to prove here? To prove triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS. RTS. We need to prove this. Solution. Here, solution. Triangle, in triangle RPQ, in triangle RPQ and triangle RTS, triangle RPQ and triangle RTS, angle P is equal to given angle RTS, and also here angle R is common in both RPQ and RTS. R is common in this both angle, that is angle PRQ is equal to angle TRS is equal to R. This is common, angle R is a common by using a similarity. By using a similarity, we can write triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Hence proved. Next, sixth example. By using a similarity, we can write triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Hence proved. Next, sixth example. Given ABC and D in figure, if triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD, show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. First, we have to write given. Given triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Next, to prove, what we have to prove here? ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Solution. We have to prove this. We know that AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. This is 1. And AD is equal to AE. This is equation 2. AB is equal to AC and AD is equal to AE. Dividing 2 by 1. Dividing 2 by 1. Here AD divided by AB is equal to AE divided by AC. AD divided by AB and AE divided by AC. We divide equation 2 by 1. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC. Here angle A is common. Angle A is common here by using SAS similarity. by SAS similarity. By SAS similarity, we can say that triangle ABE ADE, this angle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Hence proved. Next, seventh example. Seventh example, in figure, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at the point P. Show that. First one only I will solve here. Triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP and triangle AEP is similar to CDP. We have to prove here. Here AD and CE are altitudes in triangle A. Triangle AEP and triangle CDP. Both we have to prove similar here. Next, here AD and CE are altitudes in triangle AEP and triangle CDP. Angle AEP is equal to angle CDP. Angle CDP. Here CE and AD are altitudes. Both are altitudes. Next, we can write here angle, vertically opposite angles. Angle APE is equal to angle CPD. This is altitudes. So both angles are 90 here, and this is vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles. Yes. By using a similarity. By using a similarity. We can say triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. First only I solved, remaining three same like this only how to solve. Next, eighth one. E is the point on side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and B intersect CD at F. Show that triangle AB is similar to triangle CFB. Here, solution. Triangle ABCD is a parallelogram and AD, this AD extended to here E. AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. Solution. What here? E is the point on a side AD produced, means AD extended AE here. Next, in parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. That is, hence angle A is equal to angle C. Opposite angles are equal in parallelogram ABCD. Opposite sides are parallel. That is, AD is parallel to BC. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. That is, AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. So B is here transversal. This B is transversal. B is transversal. B is transversal. Here B is transversal and AD is parallel to BC. Angle AEB, angle AEB, angle CEB is equal to angle CBF. Angle AB is equal to angle CBF. Angle ABE is equal to angle CBF. How? Alternate angles. Alternate angles. Alternate angles. In triangle ABE and CBF. In triangle ABE and triangle CBF. Triangle ABE and CBF, angle A is equal to angle C. We know that. And angle AEB is equal to angle CBF by A similarity. Using A similarity. Using A similarity. We can write here triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. This AD is parallel to BC means AE is also parallel to BC. And opposite angles of parallelograms are equal. Angle A is equal to angle C and AEB is equal to CBF. Alternate angles. By using that, using A similarity, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CBF. I hope you understood this. Next video we solve next example. If you like, please share and subscribe.